Good now.
Okay. Page Shooting Ranch. Tom G here with ALW Precision Shooters. And we're getting ready to shoot the Ruger 6.5 Creedmoor at 400 to 800 yards, right?
Yep.
So Ryan's running the spotter. How you doing?
So before you lay down there, what scope you running there?
I'm running a Ruger with a Tasco.
Lies. All lies.
Running a Ruger RPR with a Night Force ATEC R 5x25.
Yeah. You got reloads there, or those factory?
And these are reloads. All right, what are we? What's the first dial in?
6.5.
All right, here we go.
Spotter ready. Send it. Impact. There you go.
What distance? 590?
Huh?
590?
500.
No, it's actually 585.
Impact.
Impact.
Good one. We're moving out.
We're moving out to the that little target.
Spotter ready. Impacts. That thing is just screaming even at 700 yards.
And that was at 700 yards. Now we're going to 800.
The wind's really picked up though. I think you're over it. Are you at 20 and a half?
Right?
Huh?
20.
20 and a quarter.
That's where I'm at. Unless
Yeah.
I'm shooting.
Impact.
I was dialing too far. Try another one.
Send it. Impact. Good shot. Wow.
One more, Ryan.
Good shot.
Impact. 3 in a row at 800.
Boy, if that had been a person, he'd have spun around, you'd have hit him right in the side. That target was swinging.
Yes.
Good shot.
3 in a row. Bye for now.
Bye for now.